Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how easy it is to recreate your favorite takeaway at home. Matt really loves at the moment a chicken schnitzel burger from our local takeaway, and it's about $15. We usually buy one because it comes with chips and a drink and then we split it, so it's only like $7 each. But so we don't have to get it as regularly. I mean, we don't get it very often anyway, but I want to be able to make it at home for him where it doesn't cost us that much money. So I've come to the local supermarket tonight instead of, he wanted it for dinner, so instead of me going down to the takeaway and buying it, I'm going to try and recreate it using stuff that you can get from the local supermarket, and I'm sure it's going to be pretty similar, and it's probably going to be healthier as well because we're not deep frying anything. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the supermarket. I'm going to take you with me, and then when we get home we're going to put this meal together. So I'll see you when we get into the supermarket. Okay, I'm going to pick up these hamburger rolls. They're $2 for a 6-pack and they're quite nice. I'll just toast them when we get home, and then that'll be our burger bun. And luckily this doesn't actually have too many ingredients, so I also got some shredded lettuce, and the reason why I buy it already cut is because that's the only way me and Matt will eat it. If I have to cut the full lettuce, not a chance.
Reminder, this assisted checkout accepts card only, no cash out.
Okay, so I just got back in the car and I ended up paying $12.10 for everything that I bought, which is pretty good considering that two things are not for the burgers. They were on discount, so I bought those because I wanted to be able to freeze them, and that the takeout itself is like $15 for a large, and we just split it in two. So that's pretty good. I can probably get around, I'm going to say between 4 and 6. I can't remember. I'll have to check in the bag how many of the schnitzels there are. So yeah, when we get home I'll unpack, I'll show you how to make the burgers, and hopefully they taste as good as the ones from the takeaway, which means that Matt and I can make them at home. They're healthier, they're not as expensive, and I can make them whenever we want them because I know how to make them now. So fingers crossed, and I'll see you when we get home. So I'm back from the shops now, and this is what I've got to make our fakeaway burgers. So I have some iceberg lettuce, some burgers, so these are just chicken burgers that are already crumbed. I'm gonna make these in the air fryer, so it makes it really quick and easy. They'll probably take about 10 minutes in the air fryer. Then I've got some straight cut chips, again in the air fryer, and bread rolls. And the last thing that are on these burgers is some mayonnaise. So we've already got that at home, so that was already in the fridge. And Lily, can you please get down? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and toast up the buns, cook the chips and the burgers and the lettuce, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what they look like. So I'm not sure if I showed you earlier how much each of the items cost, but the lettuce was $2, the hamburger rolls were $2, and this is just my receipt here. The hamburger rolls were $2, the frozen chips were $1.90, the chicken burgers were $3.30 because I got those on sale. They're about $5.50 usually, and then I got a few extra items which were my mince pies and also some raisin toast to toast up in the morning for breakfast, and that was $1.40. So okay, that only goes to show how much you can save by eating at home instead of getting takeaway. So one meal, like I said, is about $15. That is one meal. We split it into two and share it, but that's one meal. They are quite big, but still $15 versus what's that? 2 for $1.90, $5.90 plus $3.30. So it's about $9.10. I'm a little bit slow on the uptake when it comes to the math today, but it's around that. It's going to be around $10 somewhere. So, and that's going to serve 4, so it's $2.50 a serving. Alright, so these have been in about 10 minutes. I'm going to take them out and then I'm going to cook the chips, and then I'm just going to put these on top just to heat them up again on top of the chips when the chips are about to finish, so that they all stay nice and warm. And then we'll get to assembly. And can I say how much I love my air fryer? I bought this one about 7 years ago and we use it pretty much every day. I cook a whole lot of stuff in it. It's pretty much anything that you can cook in the oven. No, this is not a sponsored video, but I just really like this appliance because it's so multifunctional. So one thing that I have for the chips is this chicken salt. I bought it on sale a little while ago, and it's supposed to make the chips taste like what you get from the local chip shop. So I don't know if you can get this anywhere else in the world, but this is what I do. You can either put salt on your chips, which is fine, or I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of chicken salt and then so that should coat them nicely. I think they need a little bit more. Cool. Got my burgers all done. And now we're just going to serve them up. Ooh. There we go. Chicken burgers, just like the fish and chip shop. Not the fish and chip shop. We don't get them from the fish and chip shop. We get from the charcoal chicken place. But just like the charcoal chicken place, nice and easy. Both of these came together for under $5. What kind of takeaway are you going to recreate into a fakeaway this week? I very quickly wanted to come and finish off this video. I hope this video has inspired you to take one of your favorite takeaways and try and recreate it at home, so that it helps you save a little bit of money and get that back into your budget, so that you can pay off debt, pay off bills, have more money to spend on whatever you like. I hope you liked this video. I'm not entirely sure whether it was a vlog or whether it was a cooking video or an informational video or a little bit of something, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Dine at Frugal. Bye!